Lab automation shouldn't require a team of engineers or months of integration time. What if you could build your own automated work cell in days and not months? HighRes has spent 20 years perfecting laboratory automation. Now, we're putting that power directly in your hands with Cellario Scheduler, the industry's most capable automation scheduler at an accessible price. Cellario Scheduler makes building your work cell as simple as 3 steps. Choose your instruments, install Cellario, and run your experiments. Let's see how that works. First, instrument configuration. With access to over 500 lab-tested drivers, adding instruments is literally a click of a button. Liquid handlers, plate readers, incubators, storage systems. If it's in your lab, we've likely already integrated it. No coding required, no lengthy integration projects, just select, configure, and you're ready to go. Next, teach your robot with our simplified no-code deployment. Our vision-based perception technology automatically identifies lab work positions, reducing teaching and virtually eliminating pick and place failures. Now comes the real power, dynamic scheduling. Watch as Cellario Scheduler orchestrates multiple instruments simultaneously, maximizing utilization through true concurrent order execution. The scheduler continuously optimizes your workflow, ensuring that every instrument is used efficient. What used to take days now takes hours. The results? Increased throughput, improved reproducibility, better data quality, and most importantly, more time for your scientists to focus on science, not operating or maintaining a system. Whether you're a startup or an established organization, Cellario Scheduler scales with your needs as your science evolves. You are not alone in this journey. A dedicated customer success team provides best-in-class training and support through your deployment. Leading biotech and pharmaceutical companies trust HighRes to power their automation. Now, it's your turn. Ready to build your automation system? Visit HighResBio.com to get a quote and discover how accessible automation can power your scientific breakthroughs.